Hello from MAT-KULING. When it comes to low energy clarification, stability and reliable solid separation, radial flow settlers remain one of the most practical and effective solutions. They are widely used across recirculating aquaculture systems, hatcheries, industrial clarification, and any process requiring energy efficient and simple removal of suspended solids. Radial flow settlers operates on a central inlet hydraulic principle. Water enters from the center inlet and flows outward toward the perimeter. As the water spreads radially, its velocity decreases, allowing suspended solids settle naturally toward the bottom without mechanical moving parts. Clarified water exists through the perimeter clean water outlets, while heavier solids accumulate in the lower collection zone. The unit's geometry, including inlet elevation, outlet placement, and cone shape, is defined to support laminar settling behavior and minimize hydraulic short-circuiting. Settled solids are collected at the bottom and discharged through dedicated sludge outlet port, either by gravity or via sludge pump. Periodic discharge prevents accumulation, maintains settling efficiency, and ensures consistent performance. The unit includes standardized inlet and outlet flanges, a dedicated sludge port, reinforcement, and lifting points for convenient handling. There are many key advantages of radial flow settlers, such as no moving parts, energy-free solid separation, easy installation, and stable clarification. Radial flow settlers provide practical, reliable clarification with no active energy demand. For any project requiring simple, stable, solid removal, our team is ready to support you with a unit tailored to your needs.